Slippery as a motherfucker. Anyways, guys, welcome to the channel. I don't know when it's gonna be uploaded, but I figured I might as well make a YouTube channel since I got a GoPro. I'm gonna be getting a bigger bike soon, so don't hate on me in the comments for a fucking pit bike. But she fucking rips. I don't even know if this channel is gonna fucking go anywhere. I'm just gonna upload stuff for the fun of it, and if it starts to take off, then well, might as well do it. I can't stop right now. Alright, this is some fucking... If you're wondering, I don't know, this is some Japanese pit bike. It's a little 72, but she fucking rips. There, guy. Woo! Woo! Fuck! I'm not really good at editing or any of that kind of stuff. I don't have a mic for my GoPro either yet, so I don't know how well its quality is gonna come out. Bitch. Ugh. That was the first time I ate shit on this channel. That fucking hurt. My leg hurts now. That's fun. These roads are slippery as fuck, by the way. Oh, my fucking leg kills. Wow. This is a great first fucking video, huh? Fuck. That fucking hurt a lot. Oh, these roads are so slippery. Well, fuck it. But yeah, I don't know how well these videos are gonna turn out. I'm probably gonna cut that little spot out because I don't look like a bitch in my first video. That shit fucking hurt though. I don't know how far I'm gonna go down this road because it's really fucking slippery. And there's probably cops around this area. Woo! Alright, yeah. They're slippery as fuck. No cars behind me, alright. Let's just try here. Alright. These roads weren't that bad earlier. Now I see why they fucking canceled school on us. My ass end's like fishtailing right now and I'm not even fucking on it. Woo! Alright, let's downshift. This is a nice little bike. I mean, she does what she's used for, which is fucking around. Now I wanna tell you guys that it's like fucking 20 something degrees right now. And I'm out here bobbing the fuck around. Earlier when I was riding, some guy in a fucking bug-eyed Subaru started drifting on the road by. I just went by. It was pretty lit. I might upload that secondly after this video because I don't know how to put these videos in one yet. Oh, this snow fucking sucks. I can't feel my eyes or my face. I'm happy I have these glasses on, but shit. Earlier I was riding and it kept fucking stabbing me in the eyes like needles. Alright, let's call it Julie. Yeah, look, we have like maybe 3 inches of snow right now. I'm probably gonna have some videos of me riding with my buddy and he has a 125 Yamaha GTR. Thing's sketchy as fuck, but I'll probably have some videos of me and him riding around his neighborhood. Maybe a couple trails. This thing isn't really meant for trail riding, it's more for fucking around. Oh, this snow sucks. But I'll try and figure out how to make a YouTube channel. Upload. I don't know how frequently I'm gonna upload, but I'm gonna try and upload not too frequently, but like whenever I get a chance to, kind of thing. And if the YouTube channel starts to really take off, I'll actually upload like consistently. Oh, that's just all ice. I ate shit right here earlier. Oh, fuck you! Fuck you, snow! You bit! Oh my god, yo. It's all ice.